Today, we're going to introduce a transcoder. Let's first take a look at its overall appearance. There are two fans on the side. Power supply, two independent gigabit IP inputs and outputs. This is the other side. Okay, after looking at it, let's see. This area here can be customized with the customer's own logo. This part functions like a computer's power button for starting the service, so you don't have to plug or unplug the power supply at the back directly. Instead, you can operate it from here. Okay? Then, this is our lock menu controller, enter up and down for page navigation, indicator light, and lock light. Alright, here is a label that says multi-channel transcoding. We can transcode up to 60 standard definition channels or up to 20 high definition channels. What does this mainly depend on? It depends on whether we're using the 1080p or 1080i format. This is the overall appearance of the machine. The main application of this machine is transcoding. Transcoding means converting between different formats. So where is this mainly used? For example, if we need a H.264 signal format or an H.265 signal format, but our program source, input of our program source, say this part is the input and this part is the output, which can of course be customized. It can be set as output. It can be set as input when our input program source is MPEG-2. And we need to convert it to H.264 or H.265. Then we need to use the transcoding function of this device. This device's transcoding can convert all video formats. Next, we'll demonstrate the interface for everyone so you can take a look at this machine. This is our testing center and we're going to run a test for everyone. The machine is already powered on, so let's proceed with the test. Here is our language selection version, followed by status and network settings, just a simple operation for network configuration. We open the browser, enter this address in the browser using Firefox to enter this address, and then we access this interface. So after entering this interface, we can choose the language select English, select English, select English. Yes, we choose English. Okay, now it's successfully switched to English. Now all the operations here are in English. Okay, now let's focus mainly on its input. For input, we click to select input. Here we can add other channel names. In this section, we add an input, which is stream conversion. Here, we enter our address, the IP address, because this device uses IP input. Since this device uses IP input, we just need to set the source IP address, simply enter the IP address. It can transcode any video format, such as MPEG-2, H.264, or H.265. After setting it up, just click OK. After we fill in the input, we move on to fill in the output. OK, select outputs, and the interface will appear. At this stage, we've set up some channels. These channels, for example, if we want to add one, here we can perform transcoding. When setting the output, we can modify the bitrate, which can be set anywhere from 0.5 to 20. In another section, we can choose any audio format. This is where you select the format. This section is for our video output. Our video output supports H.264 and H.265. For video output, we can also select the resolution. Let's take a look at these resolutions. They are all supported. We can give the output channel a name, assign it a name. Our channel, the address for the output channel is set here. We can output in the form of a specific IP address. Alright, these are some of the channels we've set up. For the output address, we can perform encoding and decoding, set the bitrate, and also change the video resolution. The entire interface is very simple to operate. One part is the input interface and the other is the output interface. Click here to perform a factory reset. We've also added a feature that allows you to add local videos, meaning your own videos. Select it. This interface will appear. Then click Add, choose a file from your local computer, and that's it. The addition is complete. The entire interface is very simple and easy to understand.